Hey, welcome to Lost 13. In this video, we're going to put together a gym. Alright, so here it is. Here's the finished gym. Let me show you around. So on this side's kind of the, I guess, calisthenic side with bands and wearable weights. Our awards from various races. Bowflex bench. Adjustable, comes up to 45 and then can lay down 45. And over on this side, the weights. Picked these purple ones up, used, 50 cents a pound, painted them up. And for inspiration, we got Steve Prefontaine, Alan Turing, Courtney DeWalter, and Peter Sagan. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. And as usual, please like and subscribe.